Hi everyone, it's me Filipina and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I've got a package this time, second package from Amazon. So this package is also from my friend. So I will see because I have four package from the Amazon. So four items from Amazon. So we'll see what's inside. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And then also my daughter is very excited for the makeup. So thank you. Thank you for your order. Thank you for your order. Oh my gosh, I don't know what's inside. So this is it. It's a shoe or a makeup. What do you think, Nat? Oh my gosh, this is a shoe. It's very expensive in the Amazon. It's my first time with this. Having expensive shoes for the first time. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh wow. I love it. This is the shoe and it's 5.5 size. So for those who are willing to help me out with my shoes, well, you can send me a message to my Facebook page, Cursed Vlog. So you can just message me there if you want to send some shoes. So here it is, and then well, later on, not for now, but later on, I'm gonna show also the fitting of this one. So for now, let's unbox. Oh my god, it's so beautiful, my gosh. It's really strong. So I have the two. Then after this one, I can fit this on. Try on haul. So next next box. Okay, we'll see. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What do you think? Shoes or makeup? M? Okay, we'll see.
It's a makeup, Mama, because if it's makeup, it's always have to like that.
Okay, we'll see. I'm gonna open it.
Yeah.
My daughter is helping me because she really loves to use the makeup because it's good in. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, friend. So I found a new friend in.
Nah, lagi makeup. Look. See?
Oh my god, this is a makeup.
Told you. I know because the packaging of makeup is always saves her.
So we're gonna unbox this one. So we have to use the box because we don't have a table. So this is my first makeup kit like this makeup kit. So I'm so excited for this one. So this is the third one from Amazon. So I still have one more to go. Stiletto shoes, something like that. Stiletto shoes. So, hi dear, this is the makeup. So this is the makeup. So I'm gonna show you what's inside. Um, how to open this first, but so cute. Look. So we'll see how to do this one. So you have to spray this one and another one and
Another one.
then we have to lock. This is it. So this is all the makeup I'm gonna show you. So this is it. I didn't show this one, so it's with pencil and all of this one, and of course with this one it will bend now. Fix this one like this, it will just click like that. So but then yeah, I love it. So here it is, and it's gonna make picture. I'm gonna show you what we have from Amazon. So I'm wearing now the shoes from Amazon, and it's, my gosh, the quality is really good. This is my first time shoes. It's my this is from Amazon. I'm gonna show you how it looks like, and here it is. This is it. And the other one is looks like this. So it's really beautiful. So I'm gonna show you my feet. And so this is the makeup yesterday that we unboxed.
And people are talking too much. I tried my best to survive.